Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Today, I got a special one for you. It's Vibecoin. I don't know if y'all heard about it or not because before today, I haven't. If you got in on this early, props to you. You're a smart one. You're a smart cookie. Next time, if you know something like this is gonna pop like that, because this one did pop for sure, hit us up in the comments. Let us know beforehand. We can make a video for it and try to get everybody money. Share the wealth. You know what I'm saying? But hey, look at this coin right here, guys. 391% up. And this is in a down market, guys. Down. Look at that. $680 billion market. We were sitting at $830 billion not but 2 days ago. So it is just continuing to drop so much red. That's how I saw this coin, to be honest with you guys. Let me go back to, let's check out the market cap for all of them. You're just going to see red, 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 guys. Just a sea of red, as we've all come to know. Um, Bitcoin taking a hit all the way back down to 13,372. Man, that is bad. Um, let's see what it is in the 7 day. Yeah, down 11% in the 7 day. Ripple down 52%. Guys, I'll probably make a video about that because, man, this is, if you ever wanted to get back into Ripple, if you missed that boat, man, buy back in now because now is the time. Now is definitely the time. Cardano down 50%, down to 60 cents. Whoo-wee, man. If y'all have been holding out, this is the shopping time. Everything's on huge discounts. Well, everything that is except for, well, if you see all this red, you see all this, see this? Red, 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 and then you see Vibe up 563% in 7 days, 334 in the last 24 hours. Guys, that's big deal. Big deal. Um yeah, and just in case y'all don't know what it is, let's go over real quick. It's a virtual reality coin. It's a project that they're doing to bring in gaming, music industry, teaching, all kinds of stuff. And they just kind of got big really quickly, guys, like really quickly. Like I said, I hadn't heard about it before today. I did a little bit of research into them. They're ranked number 94 now. Their growth has been just ridiculous just in today. Like I said, they were down at 43 cents earlier today and peaked up at $2.61, which means you were gaining about $2.20 on every coin you had. And you could have stocked up pretty high whenever it was sitting at 43 cents down here, guys. Pretty darn high. Let's check out that website real quick, see what they got going on because guys, I like to see a good website. If the website's good, that usually means the product has a good chance. Photorealistic holograms, capturing holograms, performance artists, educators, public figures, stuff like that. So you can have teachers as a hologram. Wouldn't that be cool, man? We're getting into the Star Wars futuristic kind of stuff today. Um, Check this out. Yeah, they use Ethereum, guys, a private off-chain solution that offloads microtransactions from the Ethereum network. So this is not on the blockchain. That is something that I haven't heard of yet. Like, I have not seen anything that was specific about being off the blockchain. So this is a hybrid chain solution, which I think is pretty cool. That's different for sure. Discover what all Vibe is about. It's about, let's see, beta web browsers based on platform, also social functionality linked to the VR platform. So if you guys like virtual reality, have you seen the headsets? I mean, they're basically everywhere now. You can put your phone on it. Um, they're all over for PlayStation and all kinds of stuff. Trusted blockchain technology. This is the usual alternate reality. This is pretty cool. Like this is pretty cool stuff. I mean, this is basic right here, safe and secure, no middleman, so people can get paid for it pretty easily. Um, let's see. Now this is the big part. I think this is why it jumped, guys. This right here. You see that? You see that partnership right there? Look at that. PS4, Microsoft. It doesn't get any better for this, especially in the for it being virtual reality headset kind of stuff and holograms. PS4, heck yeah. Microsoft, hell yeah, guys. If they're backing it, I'm backing it. Okay, if they're backing it, I'm backing it, and so should you. And let me say that this is not professional advice. I'm not a professional. It's not financial advice. But shoot, if PS4 jumps into something and Microsoft, I'm going to tell you it's going to go up no matter what. They don't even, it could be a crap coin. It could be just terrible technology. But just because these guys back it up means it's going to be something. It's going to be something. Because they don't throw their money at just anything. They got a decent roadmap. They began with development, released the beta, token sell. If you got in on this token, geez, y'all were early. And I'm sure y'all got it for pennies and are now sitting super pretty. Beta testing, release of all VR hardware platforms. That is their end goal in 2018. And then they got a team that I didn't really recognize most of these people on the team. And from what it looks like, these guys have been on virtual reality kind of stuff and gaming platforms and stuff like that. So I think that's what they did beforehand, and now they're moving into the cryptocurrency space. So I don't think they originated in cryptocurrency, but they started on virtual reality and gaming and stuff like that, and are moving over and transitioning and trying to make some good money off of cryptocurrency, which is not a terrible idea for sure. So this is something to look at, guys, for sure. I'm not necessarily saying you should invest right now, because if I'm looking at it right now, it looks like it's about to hit a dip. It's already down to $1.89. Let's refresh that real quick. $1.85, already dropped another 4 cents since the last time I refreshed it. Jesus, look at that skyrocket. I hope y'all got in, and then I hope you got out real quick too. Fork those profits off into something else. But that's just crazy on how high it got in a down market. If y'all have coins that are going up in a down market, y'all are doing really good. That's something I like to have, is coins that are still going up. My voice coin is down just a little bit, but it's been up since the market's been going down for the most part. So it's always good to be in those coins that are going up when the market is going down. But other than that, guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If there's a coin you want to go over or coins you want to talk about, I will talk to y'all about them. So just leave me a comment saying, hey, check out this coin, Xander. I want to see how it is. Or if there's an ICO y'all want done, I can do that as well. But, stay classy, guys, and I guess I'll see y'all later.